Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Transit 350. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the heavy-duty trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we get that tow hitch, rear park sensing, we got dual doors in the back, backup camera, we got black and silver accents along this vehicle, which is pretty nice. We do get a keyless entry pad, trailer tow mirrors with lights, you got some heated mirrors as well, with side view camera, and looking at the front here, we got that front park sensing license plate bracket and that nice front view camera. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space for all your necessities. You can hang your tools up anywhere, put shelving up, totally up to you. You can turn it into a camper van. We got your locks on each side. We got a step to get in the back, and we do get some lights so you can see what you're doing in the back as well. We do get a sliding van door in the back as well with the step to get into the back. Just a nice cleaner look at all your cargo capacity, capabilities, all that jazz. You do get some storage above as well. There's some outlets as well, which is pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior on that side as well. Got that gray and black, some pattern to it, plenty of door space in the back as well. You got your mirrors, windows, all that jazz, cup holder, window, lights, auto stop, auto start, parking brake, little storage cubby here. You got storage on the dash, just a closer look at it. Some outlets right there as well, and just your normal pedals on the side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 62 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, we got our toggle for a screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get trip 1, my view, driving assist, navigation, your audio, phone, settings, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we get a step down to go to the back, which is pretty handy. Trailer brake with auxiliary switches, you got storage, cup holders, your gear select, USB, 12 volt, hazards, volume. We do get drive modes with this vehicle as well. Normal, eco, slippery, tow and haul, mud and rut. Max temp, we got a 360 view of the vehicle, which is pretty handy. Park, come on girl. Park assist, which will just turn off your park chimes. Pretty nice. You got your climate controls at the bottom here, which is nice. Looking at our main screen, we have navigation, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. Above me, we do have a nice little light you can turn on or off for your little van area here, which is pretty handy. We're going to take a closer look at our navigation so you don't get lost. You get little widgets on the side so you can keep your navigation open and your audio open at the same time. We got our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Phone, settings, if it wanted to load. Pretty handy. You got your sync, features, such as your drive modes, and your apps, such as Apple CarPlay, Air, Android Auto, or any apps you may have downloaded, show up right there as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KB00314, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.